Hey guys, what's going on? We are here today at the Red, White, and Blue Game 2018. I'm here with Sean, and I'm here with John. And guess what? There's going to be a battle happening today in about an hour from now, right?
I don't think there's going to be a battle. There's going to be one team getting the crap kicked out of them all day.
Oh, what team is that, though?
I think that's going to be the white team.
The white team. This guy is not going to win for the third year in a row. I can tell you that much right now, guys.
Here's the deal. I'm a glutton for punishment. This is my third year here, and every year this guy hands me a beating. You know what? We're ready this year. We're coming, and we're going to put him in his place.
This year it's not happening, yes. You are getting put in your place today, right?
No,
yes
like you said, he loves punishment. I'm going to punish him, and he's going to show Tony what it's like as well. So they're just going to have to get used to it. This is the way it's just going to be. I mean, so the white team's just been dominating. It's just kind of a thing.
Well, I feel like we've got one farewell for you before you move off to Okinawa, Japan to serve our great country.
Yes.
And it's going to be a beating. You're going to take a beating today. It's going to be awesome. So, guys, the white team
shall
be
see.
Black and blue.
Yeah. Oh, I see what he did there. I see what you did there. So, all right, what else you got to say, Mark?
Just
He's going to lose,
have
right?
Fun.
I'm not.
Oh, of
there's
course.
No way.
Get out there, shoot paintballs, have fun. And
I mean, the weather's gorgeous. The
yes,
field
it is
is
a beautiful
amazing.
day.
Like, where else would you want to be?
And if
If
you've
you're not
never
here-
made it to one of our red, white, and blue games, this is the 8th annual. It's not going anywhere soon, so come out next year.
It's
Oh,
worth, it's worth the
100%.
trip. It is worth the trip.
we've got people from all over the states here, even other countries.
And remember, for all your paintball games and supplies, call 1-800-875-WOLF. Oh!
That's it. That's it.
I knew you.
Okay, you guys, listen. If you guys shoot me, you get a card. If you get a card, you get a prize. I make it very easy to shoot me. I'm either gonna run at you, I look like this, right? Here's the deal. If I shoot you today with this, it's 43 caliber. It's either pink or blue. You get into a drawing for a bigger prize, right? So do me a favor and hold still. Okay?
Shouts to all my lost boys. Shouts to all my lost boys. We rowdy. Shouts to all my lost boys. Shouts to all my lost boys. We rowdy. Shouts to all my lost boys. Shouts to all my lost boys. We rowdy. Shouts to all my lost boys. Shouts to all my lost boys. Bangarang. Bass. Bangarang. Shouts to all my lost boys, we rowdy. Shouts to all my lost boys. Shouts to all my lost boys. Shouts to all my lost boys. Shouts to all my lost boys, we rowdy. Shouts to all my lost boys. Shouts. Bangarang. Bass. Bangarang. Bass. Yo, I'm eating Fun Dip right now.
Not giving a fuck.
Hey guys, what's going on? It's Joe and Lone Wolf Paintball. We're out here at the 2018 Red, White, and Blue game. At the half, it was a razor thin game, but now at the end, one team pulled ahead of everybody else, and that is the white team. John Reeves, third year in a row. PB Fit, congratulations. So, want to congratulate John, say thanks to Reaper for coming out, thanks to Sean from Infamous, and thanks to our own Tony from Lone Wolf Paintball. It was a hell of a day out here, guys. It was super hot. It came down who wanted it. Yeah, halfway through, we were almost dead even, and everybody got it. It's kind of who's going to dig deep this last round. So, congratulations to John. If you guys want to say any farewell remarks?
I want to say I don't think it was luck at all. I think you wanted it the worst, and you know, being your last game here, it was. You know, you really worked hard and you earned every bit of it. So good job.
Wow, dude, you're really nice.
Yeah.
I think he got super lucky. No, John fought out. Like Joe said at the half, everybody's points were within 10 or 15. They just took over, man. Everyone's gassed, everyone's tired. I used a tomahawk, lost about a lot of points, but what are you gonna do? Tried to use my weapons, didn't really work out that well. So I congratulate you. I wish you the best of luck in Japan, my friend.
Thanks, man.
Appreciate it.
Love you, Tones.
You as well.
Hey, man, like, this game is, like, one of my favorite games. I will not miss it. Like, so I literally leave next week. They're packing at my house. Like, I probably shouldn't have because I don't have anything ready, you know? But I had to come here. This is one of my favorite big games. I mean, I've done Legends, I've done the EVG and everything like that, which are all great. But, man, this one is just family atmosphere. Like, people go hard the entire time, and it's just great. And the people that they choose to general, I mean, you can't go wrong with any one of them. So I'll be back one day. Just thanks for this third one, and there'll be a new white team general who's got a, Yeah, Reaper. Reaper had a Reaper got shot a lot from what I saw.
Nothing.
Yeah, he just got.
Okay, so listen, I played on all teams like I always do, and they all played honorably. They all played great. You guys, the sportsmanship was amazing at this event. This is fantastic. So I got a chance to play and see how all the generals work, except this guy. Anyway, so I got the chance to play with all the generals and everything like this. This is an amazing thing. So you ever get a chance next year, come to the Lone Wolf Red, White, and Blue game at Metamora, Michigan. It's worth it.
Awesome. Well, I appreciate it, guys. Again, congratulations to John, the winner. Appreciate all the hard work out of you guys. Thanks to Empire, GI Sports, all they do. And the players, most importantly, you guys fought hard. We had a great day out here. So signing off, we'll see you guys at the Alien Invasion in October. Take it easy.
Nice.